Hindustan Aeronautics has announced that it has delivered the 175th gun bay door for the F/A-18 Super Hornet to the American manufacturer Boeing. Since January 2018, Hindustan Aeronautics has been maintaining gold rating for 100% quality and delivering the doors 4 months ahead of schedule, and due to its high performance, Boeing has awarded purchase contract for additional 74 doors in May 2020 for a business volume of 21.5 crore rupees. After 10 highly successful tests in the last 5 weeks, the DRDO Chief Dr. Satheesh Reddy has said that India has achieved self-reliance in the field of missile systems and can locally produce whatever is required by the Indian Armed Forces. He also said that India will have an operationally ready hypersonic cruise missile by 2024, which will have double speed than the current BrahMos system. When asked about the recent successful test of the extended-range BrahMos system, he said that the 500 km range cruise system was tested with increased indigenous content and it has completely proved itself. The Aero Engine Research and Design Center of Hindustan Aeronautics has tested the indigenous gas turbine starter unit that will be used to start the main indoor engines of the Jaguar strike aircraft, and this comes after Hindustan Aeronautics and the Indian Air Force had started facing delays in receiving spares. After the transfer of a Kilo-class submarine to Myanmar, India has now agreed to provide artillery systems, ammunition for T-72 tanks, radar systems, sonar systems, and 500 bulletproof jackets to Myanmar's military. Myanmar had also bought 160 units of the DRDO-developed Advanced Light Torpedo in 2017, and the export deal was worth $37.9 million. The Indian Army has already inducted 30 advanced sniper rifles including Scorpio TGT and Barrett M95 under an emergency purchase in 2019, and as per media reports, the Indian Army Indo-Tibetan Border Police and National Security Guard is seeking to buy more sniper rifles before the December 2020 deadline of the Defence Ministry that bans the import of sniper rifles. As per media reports, the earlier 2018 request for proposal will be resurrected to import 5,719 sniper rifles and 5 million rounds of specialized ammunition. A former chairman and managing director of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that the time taken for blade folding of Dhruv naval variant was approximately 6 minutes, and is well within the requirements asked for 111 naval utility helicopters tender, and a reconfigured version of the Dhruv-MK3 will also be under the weight requirement of 5 tons. He also said that in comparison to the 4.5-ton AS-365 Panther, the Dhruv naval variant will offer the Indian Navy the flexibility to carry additional 1.25 tons of payload. Indian military experts have stressed on the requirement of a second division of Mountain Strike Corps for China. The first division of the Mountain Strike Corps was raised in the eastern sector, but the raising of the second division in 2018 was never completed. The raising expenditure was not additionally allocated by the government and was considered to be a part of the normal budget, and this led to the Indian Army dipping into its resources for equipping the newly raised units, which also caused an alarming fall in its reserve material and ammunition. Apart from the specialized combat training, the Indian Army has adopted a new training module for the troops deployed for counter operations, and they are now being trained to counter enemy unmanned aerial vehicles. This development comes after intelligence agencies had flagged that Pakistan has procured a sizable number of hexacopters from a Chinese firm associated with the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. The Chinese media has claimed that the sophisticated dual-band radar system on the Type 55 destroyers can also detect and target satellites in low Earth orbit and stealth fighter jets, and it can also transmit information about a target satellite to land-based missile batteries. US analysts have said that the Type 55 is capable of mounting an electromagnetic railgun and can be equipped with anti-ship ballistic systems that will pose a serious challenge to aircraft carriers of the US and its allies.